Happy December! Alright, so I am going to try and do a lot more this month than I was able to do last month or in October, which I'm still kind of let down. I didn't do anything in October apart from an Ipsy bag, but October was busy and there were lots of haunted houses and it was a great time. But this month there are no haunted houses and I have tons of Christmas stuff I have to work on. Again, I guess I don't really have to work on it, but I want to. So I'm gonna kick off my December by doing a really easy Christmas decoration. And I'm gonna turn this, I think it's a cheese dish. I found it at the thrift store, but I'm just gonna turn what I think is a little cheese dish into a winter terrarium. So what I'm going to use for this, apart from my little thrift store find, is I've got all these cute little bottle cleaner trees. And I made sure to pick out ones that would fit in my glass dome because some of them that I have are really tall, but you're kind of like, you know, kind of like limited in space on there. So I didn't want them crammed up to the top of the dome. And then I also found like these little itty bitties, so that'll be cool. And then I've got Santa and his sleigh, and this I think is from a train set. But it ends up in my Christmas decorations every year because I love it. I also love that it's metal too. It's like not plastic at all. Okay, so what else I have? Leftover, it's supposed to be like the snow you put down for like your Christmas village or your Christmas tree, but it's got the red and green all over it, which I'm not too particularly interested in seeing the red and green over everything. So to help kind of calm that down, I also have cool like iridescent pearlescent glitters. So I've just got like my fine glitter for my snow, and then I've got little stars. So I thought that would be fun. And then I have these guys, which I'm excited about. So yeah, I'm gonna use those to mimic like fallen snow like after I put it together. But then hopefully, I'm hoping like this isn't too much. I can flip it over. So we'll see. I'll probably end up flipping it over because I don't mind this in my current Christmas village. I think originally this was under one of my trees, but then I just, you know, instead of buying new ones, I repurposed it. So here we go. The first thing I'm going to do is hope that I cut it wide enough, which it looks like I barely did. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so the first thing I'm going to have to do is like trim off all the excess on there. So I only need the one layer. I don't need it to be perfect. So I don't know where I have my cutting shears. Well, they're my fabric shears, but this is okay to use them for this because it is a fabric. My cutting is not going to go over well. Cool. So I'm just gonna kind of fold that in half and hope for the best. I'm not going to be too worried about making it perfect because the dome's going to be covering the edges of this. I just really want it to fit as closely as possible. Yeah, it's kind of oblong. Sweet, okay, cool. Alright, so now I gotta figure out how I want to do my trees. It's really, like, this is a super easy project. It shouldn't take long to do it. I do want to note while working on it So sometimes like your little bottle cleaner trees get like shoved in the bags and they have like these bad spots where it's like, you know, flat. To kind of mask that, I like to just put them together. So now they have a friend and now they look like a little group of trees. And you can't really see the bad spot. So let's do 2 different colors. I think I want Santa like coming down the center. And I've got like this little guy. This one's probably my favorite one. Look how little he is. I got him to put in like little Christmas bulbs, but this part was too big to fit into the bulb, so I never got to use them for that. But that's okay. Oh, he ran away. Yeah, I'm gonna have way more interesting projects to do later this month, but for now, like this, I want it to be like a table centerpiece. Just gonna put Santa in there. Just going through the woods. Yeah, it's simple, but it's adorable. Okay, let me see here. I'm gonna might pass on this one because it's a fine glitter. I'm gonna see how this one does. Just want it to be, I really just want it to kind of tone down that red and that green. You know, and I mean really like $1 I could go get some more. But I have this, so I don't want to go out and get some more. This is also going to be way easier to clean up than doing that fine glitter. But now that I'm looking at it, I might still do the fine glitter. These at the dollar store, and they're great containers because you can't open them. There we go. Yeah, so I mean that's great that they won't like accidentally open themselves, but it is really hard to get them open when you need them. Let's try and get some of the trees. So everybody at our table can see them. I'm trying to avoid getting Santa because really he's the only part that I don't want to be like covered in fine glitter. And then I'm adding stars because I like the stars. Stars are harder to use. Cool. Awesome, there it is. I was gonna put some lights on them, but I think it's just too small of a container to do that. But yeah, that's great. Like super easy Christmas decoration. Not gonna worry about the glitter down on the sides. So I've got like a little Santa terrarium. Isn't that cute? Yeah, so I'm gonna have more interesting projects later, but today this one was like the easiest, so I thought why not.